That's one of them.
What? You don't even know. That hurt. Holy.
Watch someone sitting out there and be like, okay, I'm not gonna hit it.
You're gonna scare the other customers away, Mom.
Good job there's not any left.
Oh.
There's not now.
Shut up.
I didn't make it.
He's doing this for you.
Yeah, we're bonding, damn it. Fuck. Holy God. It hurts so bad my asshole can't even pucker. Fuck. Oh.
You're almost there.
Oh, no. Oh, I can feel that down in my toes. Oh.
It looks pretty.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Can I get one too?
No. Oh.
The death grip.
He's making you turn blue. Dude, your hand's like gonna die. Mom, stop.
It's okay.
That's too bad.
Cutting off circulation.
I don't care.
Yeah, Billy's trying
Sorry.
to, so I'm not gonna like risk my arm for you. There, look at it. He turned blue.
So
He's
what?
purple.
So what? I turned black. Who cares?
Once you go black, you never go back.
Most girls that I know that have dated black guys have gone back.
Are you racist?
No. What's that have to do with racist? It's a fact. What?
NAACP.
Holy fuck.
Looks cool.
Yeah. Feels like my bones.
Wait, did another one of those parent people come in? Those 3 kids? No.
Yeah. Should have been here when we were getting here.
Yeah.
They would have walked him right out.
Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea, Mom. Looks like you're giving birth.
Ooh.
Is it worse or not as worse?
It was so bad I blacked it out. So I remember the
I
first
blacked it
push.
out. Yeah, this is worse. You can't even speak. I blacked it out. She blacked it out.